Welcome back to our van build. We chose Kilmat for our sound deadening because of the fact that it's not tar based. To prepare for the installation, make sure you have alcohol, clean paper towels, scissors or a blade, a rolling pin, which you will see why later, and a Sharpie. So the reason why you want to use alcohol and paper towels, not water and rags, is because you need the areas clean and dry for the Kilmat to stick to the van. Alcohol dries in a matter of seconds, whereas water can leave behind moisture, and rags can also carry over dirt and dust from previous uses. Now along the bottom and the top, the panels are smaller, so we're using the Sharpie and scissors to cut out pieces of the Kilmat. And then we use a rolling pin to smooth out any air bubbles, but you can also use your hands for this too. You also don't need to cover the entire panel. In fact, we were quite generous with how much Kilmat we were putting on. But basically, sound deadening will just help minimize vibration in the metals, and that will help reduce a lot of noise, especially when you're driving your van. Please let us know your thoughts in the comments and follow us along for our next van build video.